In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Google Calendar as a desktop app. Open Google Chrome from your taskbar or from the Start menu. Once Chrome is open, go to the Google Calendar website. If you are typing it into the address bar, enter calendar.google.com. Then press Enter and give the page a moment to load. When Google Calendar opens, make sure the calendar grid is visible on the screen. Also check the top right corner and confirm that your account avatar is showing there. That tells you the page is loaded correctly and you are signed in. Now move to the top right corner of Chrome and click the three-dot menu. It is just to the right of your Chrome profile picture. When the drop-down menu opens, move your pointer over Cast, Save, and Share. Do not click away yet. Just hover there, and a side menu will open next to the main menu. In that side menu, look for Install Pages app and click it. Chrome will open a small dialog titled Install this page as an app. You should see the Google Calendar icon and the app name inside that dialog. Leave the name set to Google Calendar. This is the default name and it is the name Chrome will use for the desktop app. With the name unchanged, click the blue Install button in the dialog. After you click Install, Google Calendar will close from the normal browser tab and reopen in its own standalone window. This window should look different from a regular Chrome tab. There is no address bar, no row of browser tabs, and no normal Chrome browser frame around it. Now check the Windows taskbar. You should see a new Google Calendar icon there. Google Calendar will also appear in the Start menu under All Apps, so it is now installed as a desktop app on your computer. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. That is the full process for installing Google Calendar as a desktop app using Google Chrome.